Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add a time progress bar to your videos on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select this one for instance, and I'm going to go to background. I'm going to find a color. Let me actually just see if I don't have favorites anymore. Okay. Let's just use the white background and freeze frame that one. And I'll need another color. I'll use this one and freeze frame that. Adjust it till the end of your video. Select the first one, go to mask and select rectangle. Oops, there we go. I'm just going to make a progress bar here. I'm just going to put it down here and I'm going to round out the edges a little bit. And then for this one, I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm going to make it smaller. Than that. Did I even round out the edges? I did not. There. Right click on the pink one, go to create compound clip, select the horizontal one and just rotate it. Add it here at the beginning of your video, and at the end drag the line to the right. And that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.